Hey loves, in today's video we're going to be talking about how to become a virtual assistant in Nigeria and all around the world and get a certification that is going to earn you about $15 to $35 per hour. Now on this channel we talk about passive income, social media management, tech and any other way to make money online in 2023 and beyond. Now if this is something that interests you, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get right into this video.
Yeah.
Who is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant is someone that provides administrative services. Now, the good thing about virtual assistant is that it is done completely remote. If you're going to be going to the office, it is no longer virtual assistant. So, virtual assistants earn about $5 to $35 per hour, rendering administrative services to their clients. Unlike the videos I made about social media management, if you haven't watched it, I'm going to put the link on the screen. Now, for virtual assistant, it is completely different. Social media management courses are made available for free and you can get a certification. But when it comes to virtual assistant, it's a whole different ballgame because it's a skill that's in high demand now. So a lot of courses aren't free. So if they aren't free, how do you get a certification from this course and make lots of money from it? What you need to do is to get the skills that are needed to become a virtual assistant. So you might not get the virtual assistant certification itself, but you can get all the in-demand skills, get their certification, and you are good to go to become a virtual assistant. If you still doubt if virtual assistant is the course for you, on Upwork, virtual assistant earn about $5 to $35.
So this is Upwork. On Upwork, you can see clearly that this Nigerian Esther makes a lot of money on this platform, and you can see that she makes about $15 per hour. The next person makes $10 per hour and $12, $35 per hour. This person makes $50 per hour.
On Fiverr, they earn as much as $15 to $45 and more.
So this is Fiverr, and on Fiverr you can see that someone makes Felicia makes $10, and this person makes $50, and you can see that this person makes $5 per hour, $15 per hour, and a whooping $225 per hour, rendering virtual assistant services. Isn't that amazing? Others make from $5 to $10.
So why are you still considering this? Fiverr, Upwork, Indeed are places you can check out and see how much virtual assistants are making presently. So when it comes to skills of virtual assistant, the skills are divided into two. We have the soft skills and the hard skills. The soft skills are skills that you should have as a human being, your characteristics, your traits, things that you have inbuilt in you. Those are your soft skills, and they include time management, organization skills, communication skills, and other skills like that. Why the hard skills are the skills you need to carry out a job, skills that are learned for you to be able to do something. The hard skills that you need for becoming a virtual assistant are: number one, bookkeeping, social media management, website maintenance skill, email management, data entry, writing and typing, IT support, and search engine optimization. So these are some of these courses I've talked about. I've talked about the social media management. Make sure that you check that out. I've talked about these SEO skills. Make sure that you also check that out as well. For you to get a virtual assistant course now is very expensive. This is a course that is in high demand, so everyone that is giving it, they are not giving it for free. You have to pay them for them to give you that knowledge. So on Allison, you can get certified as a virtual assistant, but you get the course for free, but you will have to pay some money for you to be able to get the certification. Their certifications are well recognized all around the world. So if you take the course, you can save up and pay for the certification. But another way for you to get certified as a virtual assistant is for you to take these courses on HubSpot and SEMrush. Now, I've talked about you getting different certifications. Now, I mentioned email marketing, email management, SEO, social media marketing, data entry. All these courses are provided by HubSpot.
So these courses are provided for free on HubSpot. So you click on HubSpot Academy and to bring you to this interface where you're going to see various courses that are free and you can get certified in. You can see social media marketing, service up software, digital advertising, digital marketing, HubSpot CMS for developers, and other courses as well, such as revenue operation, inbound marketing optimization, social media marketing certification too. And you can view other certifications that are available as well. So another certifications are locally enough, and you can see email marketing, social media marketing, integrating with HubSpot and SEO marketing, inbound marketing, revenue operations, objective based onboarding, and digital advertising and digital marketing. On SEMrush, you can see that it is called SEMrush Academy and it says advance and inspire your marketing career. And you can click on start learning. You're going to see courses on digital marketing and they are provided below, such as how to incorporate PPC into your marketing strategy, navigating one page and technical SEO. And has a lot to do with digital marketing and SEO marketing. So these courses are very important for you. You can see other courses as well, such as search engine optimization. And I searched for social media marketing. Let me see courses they have on social media marketing. And you can see they have social media marketing crash course and getting started with SEMrush platform overview course.
So instead of you paying for a virtual assistant course in general, you can learn all these skills one by one and then get certifications on all of them. When you're presenting your skills to a client, you're telling them you're certified in email marketing, you're certified in email management, you're certified in SEO optimization, you're certified in social media management. So you get these skills one by one and you can get your clients like that. So if you don't have the funds to just take courses that are paid, in my description box, I'm going to list courses that on virtual assistants that are not free. So you pay before you'll be able to access those. But if you don't want to pay and you want to learn all those skills one at a time, you can go onto HubSpot. I've shown you that on the screen, how you can access all these certifications one after the other and gain access to them. Now, if this video is something that resonates with you and you will love to see more videos like this, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, comment, share, and just get ready for more valuable information. Until next time, bye.